Welcome back techies to my YouTube channel Coding Wala. So today we are going to see installation of a JDK setup. To install a JDK in our system, first we need to go and download the installer from the oracle.com. So for that what you need to do, like, just go to any of the browser and just type JDK 8 download. So whatever the first link that appears, just click on that particular link, let it open. Yep, once it open you can appropriately choose as per your operating system environment. Now currently I'm dealing with a Windows system, so to check whether Windows is a 64-bit or a 32-bit, what you can do is, like, msinfo 32, type this particular command into the run box. To open the run box, press Windows R and just type msinfo 32 and press enter. So it will give us one information panel where we can check our system is of which bit. Now my system is of 64-bit, so I'll just download the 64-bit installer. So when I click on this particular link, which will delegate me to one of the checkbox, simply I'll accept everything. And the moment I click on download, it will navigate me to one of the login page. Here what you need to do is, like, you need to specify your Oracle account details if you have. If you don't have, just simply go ahead and create your Oracle account. Be assured that it's totally free. You need not to pay a single penny for creating this account. Once you create account, just log in and download that particular file for installation. Now I have already downloaded it, so I'll just demo with that. The installer will look something like this. The moment you double click on it, it will start installing the Java into your system. And once the installation is completed, you can see the installation directory, like uh, like I have installed it in a D drive. So I'll just go to D drive. Here I have installed the Java. Here you can see within a bin we have so many executable files are there. Now all those are having some significance here. Okay, so out of that, probably we will be using the Java C in today's lecture. So now let's quickly jump on, like, writing our first Java code. I'll just clean up this complete directory. Just I'll create a simple plain text file here. Hello world. It's a text file, so I'll just create one class. Please do not worry about creating these classes. Don't worry about this syntax, that we are going to cover into the upcoming sessions. So I'll just create a one plain class in a Java. Let's say hello world. I'll just create a one main method here. This one is a required one. Why that is required one, I'll explain that one also. String args double quotes, sorry, curly brace open close. Now I'll just give one simple message here: system dot out dot println, and within double quotes I'll give one message as hello from coding wala, and I'll end up this is out system.out.println, that is with semicolon, and I'll just simply save this. Now I'll click on a file and I'll mark it as a save as, and I'll make it as a Java file. If you look at the extension, currently it is a text file. To make it as a Java file, you need to click on a save as a type to all files and give extension here as a .java. Okay, now I'll just simply minimize this. We can see earlier we were having text file, but right now we are having a one Java file as well. So I'll just open command prompt here, cmd Windows terminal, and I'll just type java c space hello world dot java. See, it is not getting compiled. What error I am getting? Like, java c is not recognized as an internal or external command. Why? Because means if you look at the installation directory, we installed the Java into the D drive into the Java folder, and within that Java C, if you look at this selected Java C executable, it is located into the D Java bin folder, and currently we are trying to execute or compile our code from D colon first code directly. So Java C is not accessible here. To make it accessible, what we need to do is like set path equal to percentile path percentile semicolon, and I'll give the bin followed by a slash backward slash, and I'll just hit enter. Now we can see Java C hello world dot Java. See here what error I am getting: public static void main, invalid method declaration. What is missed here? The return type must be declared. Here we have not mentioned the return type. So to mention that return type, what I need to do is like I'll just go ahead and edit that hello world file again, hello world.java file again. I'll edit the actual Java file. Yes, it is editable with a notepad as well. Public static void main. Now I'll just simply save it. I'll just go ahead to command prompt and we'll run it again. Now this time it got successfully compiled. When it get compiled, we can see that one class file is also generated here. If you look at the extension of this particular file, it's a class file. Okay, so now quickly jump on to the diagram that I explained yesterday. So as a part of this Java execution process, first we need to compile the code. That is, we will furnish our source Java file to compiler. It will create a byte code from that, and that byte code we will furnish or we will submit to interpreter, and then it will execute. Okay, so currently we have done the first step, that is we have compiled our source file to its bytecode. Now let's try to read that bytecode. I'll just right click and edit with notepad. This is not at all readable to us. I mean, it's not making any kind of sense. Even though we don't understand this particular, our Java interpreter is enough capable of understanding this. Okay, so what I'll do, like I'll just go ahead and execute that particular uh, machine level code or a byte level code generated by that. So to execute that, what we need to do is like we just need to simply specify the class name here, Java space hello world. The moment I hit enter, we can see that the message hello from Codingwala. So this, like this, we can execute the plain Java code. Right now, buddies, friends, do not worry about like what is being written into this source file. Okay, uh, why these curly braces are required, why this main method is required, why this system.out.println is required, why this semicolon is required, why curly braces are required, all that we are going to cover into the next session. Okay, so this is just for the sake of checking the Java installation is correct, and we could able to execute a plain or very simple straightforward Java code from it. We have just done one more step here, like setting the path. Now why that path is required, let's look into the next slide. Path is an environment variable where we need to append JDK installation path till bin folders so that Java executables are available. Now when we install the Java, if you go into the installation directory, so this is the directory where I install the Java. Here we can see that the bin, within a bin we have a Windows executable here. The commands which can Windows system understand, those commands are present here. This is nothing but a my Java compiler. So to make this Java compiler available anywhere into my system, instead of anywhere, I'll say to the location from where I'm trying to compile the code. To make it available to that particular location, what I did, like I just added the path here. Now this setting this path is kind of a temporary thing. Moving ahead, I'll tell you like how to set it permanently. We can set it in a way Windows environment variable as well. Now one more thing that I missed out to tell you, like the moment we complete the Java installation, what you can do is like we you can simply close all the terminals and just open the new terminals, and you can just simply check java hyphen version. If this command gives us the correct output, then yes, we can say that the java is being installed successfully. So today we covered a lot, installation, and we also executed the first hello world program. So also we looked at the why path setting is required and all those details we have seen. So I think this is enough for the today's session. So in case if you have any queries, feel free to drop queries into the comment section. I'll definitely answer them. And please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and keep it spreading, keep it learning. Happy learning. Thank you.